Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I just wanted to show you a deal that I had purchased from Macy's by Estee Lauder. Do you want to know what's all inside this kit and how much it was? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So I was doing a little bit of shopping and I was getting some gifts for family members, and this deal caught my eye. I don't know how I even saw it on Macy's website, but something popped up that said Estee Lauder kit, and I was like, ooh, what's that? And it said it was like a $550 value that you can get for $75 with any purchase of a Estee Lauder product that's $45 or more. I went this morning to make sure this was still available so I can show you guys. So if you do see this set and you think it's a great deal and you want to get it for yourself or for another, then it is still available as of right now anyway. So how you do it is, now it says with any Estee Lauder product purchase. Didn't say it has to be over a certain amount. So with me, when I went to do it, I ended up buying a day cream because on Sundays are my only day off, which that is today. I try not to put any makeup on or do anything with my hair. So I thought that would be a nice thing to have a nice, real good day cream to put on for those days so I can have a good cream on. Plus, like I said, I needed to spend at least $45. That was $55. And then I was able to get this set for $75. So right now, like I said, it says any product. So what I tried was, the first thing that I saw was like some kind of foundation. It was like 42 or 44. Either way, I know it was under the 45 that when I purchased mine last week was a requirement. So I added that to my cart, and then I went to my cart, and if you scroll all the way down underneath the pricing, it'll say offers, and then it'll show this exact thing. And then you get to choose between the two different moisturizers. There's two different moisturizers that you can choose from. I don't really know the difference. The only product that I have actually tried by Estee Lauder that I can actually remember is a small little sample of a night serum, and I just recently got 2 of them. I put one in a giveaway because I thought, oh, well, somebody else can try it, so I can try this one. But I had Tiffany, yes, Tiffany, both videos you told me how amazing that serum is. You said it's the absolute best. And so I started using it, and I actually do enjoy that serum. I was using it at night, and then because again, it was this little tiny thing. So I got down, I'm like shaking the shit out, trying to get a little tiny little drop out to finish. And I'm like, oh. So when I saw this, I was like, okay, I've got to get that because the full size is in here, and that full size product is worth $75. So if I were to went to just buy that one product for $75, I got this whole entire kit with everything else with that one product, and it gives you a small one too. So that's why I wanted to show you guys, because I thought this was an amazing deal. So you can purchase any type of an Estee Lauder product for yourself, and then you can get this whole entire kit for $75 for yourself or for another as a gift idea. So I'm going to show you what all came in it. Thank you, Tiffany. You just had me spend some more money because your little, it's absolute best, kept sticking in my head. And so now, now I got it. So with this, there was a few little free things that came with it as well. Inside here, it came with 5 different men's cologne. So again, I'm going to give them to him. He can go ahead and try them out. I think he does have a full size of at least one of these. He has a lot of cologne. I have a lot of perfume, but there's that. So there's this 5-piece set that you got for free. And sometimes subscription boxes want to put those in your thing like as if it's an item when it's free. And then I got this little set here. There is a beautiful magnolia. It's a perfume. It's a little perfume sample, the same size as what's in the men's cologne. It's down inside of there. And then here's an 01 Extreme Black Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara. And there is a full-size mascara in here, and I think it's that same one. Yes, I think that is the exact same one that's in here for the full size. So I definitely will save this for one of you. And then here is a Perfectly Clean Multi-Action Cream Cleanser Moisture Mask by Estee Lauder. Obviously, it's all by Estee Lauder. So I thought that was cool to get these little guys here. Again, that was a little free added bonus. And then there was this that I could add as well. This one you could choose between 2 different bags. One looked more like holiday. It was like red and white. So I chose this one, but there's supposed to be something inside. So let me get it opened. It's a nice little reusable bag. Oh, and there's even like a little drawstring. So you can close the shit up. Nothing's gonna fall out. That's even cuter that it does that. And it does have a little bottom, kind of stay hard. It has a bottom. This is what's in the bottom. And then it came with this. And then inside of here is a perfume sample of this. Here's a scrunchie. The Marshmallow Primer by NYX sample. Vital Vita 12. Here's a little set of a moisture ampule and a brightening ampule. And then Tired Skin. What if you could be a robot? I don't want to be a robot. Here is Makeup Forever Reboot Foundation sample. So all of these came down in this bag. Again, those are just all the little free things. So now to get into the main star of the show. Like 8 minutes in, I haven't even opened this shit up yet. I wanted to show you guys what this was about because I think this might be a really, really good gift idea. Like I said, for yourself or for anybody else. So, that's what's down inside the box. And then you have this really nice bag too. I think they call this a train bag, but it zips up all the way. It's made very nicely. It's nice and it's made nice. So you do have this little handle here with the bow. You even have this little thing here. This is Estee Lauder. It looks like a candy cane swirl. And then there's a double zipper. So you can use this case for anything. When you open it up, that is what it comes. That is how it comes down inside. So there's 2 eyeshadow palettes, there's 2 lipsticks, there's a mascara, and then you have this skincare, and I think this is an eye makeup remover. So let's get in here and see what's all inside. And again, one of these products alone, I believe it is this night repair serum, is $75. So that's the cost of this entire kit. You get the bag and all the other stuff. So I could not pass it up. $550 Estee Lauder kit for only $75. Well, technically I had to spend $55 to get this for $75, but you know what I mean. So let's go ahead and start with this. This is the Advanced Night Repair. Thank you, Tiffany. So there's that guy. And then it gives you a sample. Now the sample that I did get didn't have this little dropper on top. It just had a regular top on it. So I think that's cute that this one actually has a little dropper. So you can use these little guys here for travel. If you go traveling, you have that, or you can pass them down to somebody else since you got the full size. They can test this one out. But I just think that's really neat that they give you 2 of each one. So both of these again are the Advanced Night Serum. They're exactly the same. And then there is an Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Complex. This top feels really heavy. Like it feels like a really nice, no, it's just a glass bottle. It's not even the top. It just feels really nice quality. I've never had anything with Estee Lauder. I did have one eyeshadow palette, a little eyeshadow palette, which I really wanted to use because it was like blues and grays. But it came from a subscription box that I am no longer getting. I canceled a long time ago. And that item, along with others, were extremely, extremely expired. And I know makeup, if you purchase it yourself, you can keep it as long as your little heart desires. I have no problem with that. But when it's already expired before you get it, you never know. So I had a lot of you guys in that video say, no, throw that shit away. So I did. I didn't even use it. I didn't even swatch it. I just threw it away. And I was rude. I was a little disappointed because that was the first time I was going to try out an Estee Lauder eyeshadow. So at least now I have 2 palettes in here. So things happen for a reason. Hopefully it was worth the wait. But yeah. So again, this is the night serum. And again, it comes with a little guy with it. I'll probably put these little ones in future giveaways for you guys. Oh, and my man did not know at the time, but I was like, okay, one thing came. I bought him this like stand with a 100-pound punching bag and a speed bag in the back. That's something he's been wanting for a long time. But unfortunately, it came on a time when he was home and he saw the box and he brought the box in. And I'm like, great. It was just the 100-pound punching bag. So he knows now what all he's getting. So that same day is when I received this, like 2 days ago. And so he knew. I'm like, well, Merry Christmas. Surprise. Because it's too big. He's like, don't even, he already knows what it is anyway. So he's like, don't even bother wrapping it. But then I was like laughing to myself a little bit later while I'm still tracking UPS. Like, where is UPS? He normally doesn't come this long. He's like, what are you laughing at? I was like, well, the thing that I'm waiting on, it's actually, I was going to just tell you that's one of my Christmas gifts from you. He's like, you bought your own gift? I was like, you damn right I did. I was like, I couldn't pass up the deal. And I know you're not going to go online and do all of this shit. So yeah, you damn right I did. I bought my own gift. So I'm going to put this back in the box after I show you guys. And he can wrap it up for me. But at least I get to show you guys. And yes, I bought my own damn gift. So the product that you get to choose from, I chose the Resilience Multi-Effect Tri-Peptide Face and Neck Cream, Broad Spectrum SPF 15. I don't know the difference. Again, I don't know Estee Lauder products. I know this is supposed to be an amazing product, Tiffany, but I don't know the other two products. So I just chose one, and again, it came with a little guy too. So this is the one that I picked. The other one is more of like a gold something radiance, or no, this one says resilience. I'm not sure what the other one is, but you can choose between those two for this kit. That's the only difference. Everything else is all the same, except this, you get two of that or two of this. You can get with this or you can get with that. That's what you get to choose from. So when you do choose, you have to select which one and then add it to your cart, and it'll go to your cart for the $75. So then here is the mascara, and this should be in the color black. Yes, 01 Extreme Black. And then there is the wand. I don't know why I always have to smell it and it just smells like mascara. But I always have to smell shit. So now we have, ooh, and I love the color of that bottle. I love that blue. So this is a Gentle Eye Makeup Remover, 34 fluid ounces. So there's a makeup remover. Have you guys ever tried this? Does it work good? Let me know. And any of this stuff, if you guys have tried, let me know, because I don't know nothing about Estee Lauder. So let's go over the eyeshadow palettes, and then there's the two lipsticks, and that's it. So here's what the packaging looks like for both of them. It does go over the colors on the back. And then when you open her up, there is a mirror on the top, and it says Estee Lauder Candy Glam. Ooh, that actually is really pretty colors. So here's the first palette. I like how there's like the blues, like a little bit of like a gray. There's the purple. That's really pretty. It's almost kind of like what I've got going on right now. And then this one, same thing, but different colors. So the two of them come like side by side so you can see them. Let me hold them like that. That's the two different palettes. And I'm sure these side pieces, this side piece kind of looks shiny. No, it's not shiny. So I thought maybe it could be like a highlighter, but it doesn't really look that shiny. But there's that. So there's two palettes. I'm getting my grummy fingerprints all over it. But hey, that's what I get when I buy my own shit. Now the two lipsticks. So here's what the packaging looks like. It matches like the palette, the colors. And then this one looks like this. Looks like a nice, pretty brown color. Let me swatch it on my hand a little. There's a little sparkle. Oh, it's like a copper. It's almost like a copperish color. There's a little bit of sparkle in it. And then the next one, which is the last one, same packaging. Oh, and the color of this one is 111 Tiger Eye. That makes sense. Tiger's Eye is more of like a coppery kind of brown. So that makes sense that they called it that color. I love Tiger's Eye. This one is called Excite 539. Oh, and that's like a red. But I guess that'd be good for like the holiday, you know, the holiday season. Get a nice, ooh, and that is a bright red. Like an orangey red. So there's the two lipstick colors right there. See, now I can just put everything back in here and then he can wrap it up and I'll try to forget by the end of the month what I got. But it was so funny though, the look on his face, like he went from normal, like having our normal conversation, just this normal like look at to, you straight bought your own Christmas gift? Damn right I did. Damn Skippy, I sure did. I'm like, well, I couldn't pass up a good deal. And then it came and he's like, so do I get it? I'm like, no, I want to show my viewers first, because what if they want to get the same deal? This is a good deal, so you got to wait, and then I'll give it back to you. So that is everything that came in this kit. Again, I definitely wanted to show you guys in case you wanted to grab it for yourself or for somebody else, because I just thought $550 worth of Estee Lauder products for $75, and right now it looks like you can purchase any Estee Lauder product. So look for the cheapest shit that they have and see if you can grab this for $75. And if you do, you'll be gifting this amazing thing with this bag and everything. And then you can get some free little, and there's another free, I don't think they had this same thing available. It was a different little kit that they have now that would be added to it as a free item when you do purchase this. So that is everything that I had to show you guys. What do you think about this kit? Have you ever tried anything from Estee Lauder? Have you used any of these products? The makeup products, the skincare products, either one? Let me know down below. Tiffany, I already know you like that one, so I already know. So that is everything, you guys. Again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.